In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off active status on Instagram 2023, 2024, 2025, and so on. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that this process works on any device. I'm using a Samsung Android, but you can do the exact process if you are on iPhone and any other phone, doesn't matter. So you need to enter on your Instagram, log into your account, click right here on the last option to come on your profile. Then you will see at the top right corner these three lines, so click on these three lines and you will get several options. Come on the first option, settings. You will come to privacy with this lock icon, below business, privacy, swipe down and you will find active status, okay? Below guides, activity status, click on top and you just need to turn off this option, show your active status. If you click, you will turn off your active status on Instagram. You can also just show your active status to public or just to accounts you follow or have message, okay? I hope I helped you on how to turn off active status on Instagram. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.